school. I think it's going to be pretty neat. The first ingredient of a nature walk is nature, but the second part is friends, and I think I see some friends right
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Do you guys want to go on a nature walk?
Sure.
Alright guys, this is our time. We're going out to find nature. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Nature on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Nature! Alright, so I found a really neat specimen. It's a football. It's not just any football. It's a roof football. But we gotta be very careful not to wake it from its slumber. Because it's very, very dangerous. I think we woke it from its slumber.
Wow. We seem to have stumbled across a pterodactyl egg. Now, it appears to look like a pumpkin, but really, it's a pterodactyl egg. Wow, how neat is that? Well, we don't want to wake the mother.
Well, all that was pretty neat. Now we're going to go into the dense brick jungle. Found a natural spring here in the jungle. You guys want to come check out this water, see how it tastes?
Wowee. That's pretty neat.
Water.
Well, I think that was a great find. This is a sycamore tree. You can tell it's a sycamore by the way it is. It's got nice bark. Great day for nature, guys. Bring it in. Nature.
Friendship.
Yeah.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선호해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선호해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선호해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선호해 그런 선호해
Hey guys.
Just keep going with it.
I really amazing find here. Pterodactyl.
Oppan Gangnam Style.